Assalamu alaikum, respected teacher and my dear fellow. 14 August is the Independence Day of Pakistan. We celebrate it every year on 14 August with great joy and pride. On this day in 1947, Pakistan became a free country after many sacrifices. Our great leaders like Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah and Allama Muhammad Iqbal worked hard to get us this homeland. On 14 August, the whole country is decorated with green and white flags. Government buildings are lit with beautiful lights. School hold speech competition, flag hosting ceremonies, and national songs. People wear green and white clothes to show love for Pakistan. In the end, I would say let's us all promise to make Pakistan a symbol of peace, progress and unity. Pakistan Zindabad. Pakistan Paindabad. Thank you.